Hey guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to the Martins Home. Nigerian fashion in 2025 is turning up the heat, and bubble gowns are leading the way. Today we are talking about top 5 ways people are designing bubble gowns, necklines, and fabric that are used in this 2025. If you check, bubble gowns have been trending so much. Who does not have Bubu in their wardrobe? This 2025, it's like a game changer for every sharp fashionista. So, if you are a fashion designer or you want to catch up with the latest trends of how people are designing their bubus, then stay with me to the end in this video as I tell you this top 5. Number 1, the V-neck with crystal. Yes, so you see people using a lot of V-neck with crystal or Asoeke. There was a video I made here talking about how Asoeke has entered the modern fashion of fashion. Yes, so this design adds the perfect blend of sophistication and sparkle. Whether wide or plunging, the crystal around the neckline, you can add crystal. Crystals are those stones, those shiny stones. Why some choose to use this Asoeke only for this V-neck design, and it's always perfect for bright, high class, or one-day looks or any special occasion. The second is round neck and beaded fringes. People don't know what fringes are. Fringes are just those strands. They are like ropes. Okay, those beautiful ropes. You see, some people add them at the bottom of their bubble gowns. Maybe at the middle. But these fringes are also used from the round neck. Yeah, so beaded fringes, of course, it's perfect for designers and many people love it. If you want it simple or classy, it's still fine. Then we have this high neck between lace overlay. Yes, it's not everybody that wants no neck. Some want high neck, like covered with throat. Yeah, so lace. There was this particular style I saw where a lady used cord lace on a beautiful design. Oh, it was so beautiful. She used black color. So if you are looking for what to add to your bubu and make it stand out, then lace can be one basic designs. I've not even mentioned those people that are using lace and then using Ankara patterns, beautiful patterns to design those laces. It also comes up. You will see all this in this video. Trust me guys, you are going to love this collection. So that is that about this high neck and lace overlay. Yes, you can look for delicate lace, yes, place over it, or use organza or silk material. Silk mikado. Do you know this satin mikado? Do you see this neck they do like it's always fine, it's fine. So this is another way. Just make sure that it's matching the Ankara you are using and get inspiration from this video. Another is boat neck with Ankara twist. Yes, Ankara is not left out in 2025. So this neckline spreads beautifully across the shoulder. Boat. What is that neck that is just like a boat, just turns down, it's just like a boat. That's how it looks. So it's not too deep, it's not too shallow, it's not round, and it's not v-neck. It just goes like a slant boat. So it's great for women who love tradition with modern age. Yes, so we've not even talked about off shoulder with sequins. Sequence, another way that people use to design bubus. I know that sequence is a bit of a higher price, yes, and you can try sequence. You will like it. Is it Asoeke? Try it. Is it adding mikado? Try it. Is it adding lace like cord lace or any beautiful lace? Try it. Is it adding fringes? Try these things. Get these inspirations in this video, and I believe that you will come out with a new design that is wow. The best thing is to dive into the creativity that you have within you. Every person is creative. Think of something while you copy the styles You can add a touch of your own creativity to it, and I know it will be beautiful. Do you enjoy this video? Please like this video if you're a lover of African fashion. Share it to other fashion designers, fashionistas, to tell them that this channel is specifically for the trendiest of African fashion, to help you stay updated with the latest trends in fashion. Also tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this very neck designs? Do you like them? Which of them is your favorite, or is there any I forgot to mention? Tell us in the comment section if you feel like so. Also survey our other videos. We've got different varieties, and if you are a starter in fashion business specifically, there was a particular video about making millionaires selling bubu, and subsequent ones where I showed us certain things that are happening in fashion that might be useful to you too. You consider checking it out after here. I love you so much. Thanks for stopping by, and please tap on the subscribe button so you'll be updated with our latest trends. Bye.